In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the client area. To access the client area, we click My Account. Now once logged in, you'll be presented with this page. You can see some shortcuts here where we have services, domains, tickets, and invoices. If we click My Services, you will see the services that we currently have activated. I'll go into shared hosting, and here you are presented with some options. On the left hand side, you can log into the control panel. You can also log into your email, and you can change the password. On the right hand side, you'll see the usage statistics. You can check your disk usage and your bandwidth usage. Or you can access your email accounts, forwarders, and you can even back up your account. You can create an email address right from the client area. The next thing I want to show you is how to open a support ticket. You click Open Ticket, select the support department. In this case, we'll select Support. I need help will be our subject. Obviously, you can be a bit more descriptive than this, depending on your issue. But in this case, this is a demo, so we'll just go, I need help. We select our support department. If you want to change this at this stage, you can. We select the service that it relates to. In this case, we'll go shared hosting. And you can select your priority from high, medium, or low. In this case, I don't want our support department to reply to this ticket as it's a demo. So I'll just go, this is a demo. And we'll click submit. Now the ticket is created. Now you can see on the left-hand side, it's open and the priority is medium, which is great. Now, if you have any other additional information for us, you can also click reply and you can update the ticket. Moving right along, we have the view email log button. For some reason, if you've misplaced the email, you can find it here. So if we click view message, as you can see, this is an email, it looks very familiar, and it contains all our hosting information. So that completes our brief overview of the client area.